On the video for 6.4, I'm really just going to explain a little bit and then have you working on those and submitting them. If you should have gone through the warm-up video first, that kind of gave you a little bit more instructions. So we have our graph here and our data, and then I'm asking you specific questions. I'm asking you for this average rate of change, and I'm giving you specific times because that's where you are finding the slope between those times. Since the data in our graph is the same as the data on our table, we could use our table data because then we don't have to estimate our values. So that would be where I would grab those numbers for. And then explaining or showing your reasoning is also explaining your work. Same thing as you're looking down here. We don't have our data in a table format, so now I'm going to be estimating whatever values that I'm picking. And then again, that idea, rate of change is just another way to say slope. And so the steeper the line, the faster something's happening. So if I'm looking at, for example, this blue line here is much steeper than the red line is here. So that means that since we're talking population, the population of Texas is not growing as fast as the population of California. So we can tell that information, but if we want some pretty specifics, we need to actually do the calculation to see how things are growing. Or if I can't always tell between those pieces in there. And then same thing we were answering down there. And then this video is going to end after this one. So you're just kind of looking at which one doesn't belong. And the beginning of the next one, I'm going to start with this slide and talking about which one doesn't belong and why.